Hello UPSC aspirants. In today's episode of Plutus IAS Daily Insight, we will talk about India's first space mission, Gaganyaan. India is on the verge of entering an exclusive global club with the launch of its first human spaceflight program, Gaganyaan mission. Announced by ISRO Chairman V. Narayanan, the mission is scheduled to begin this December with an uncrewed test flight carrying the semi-humanoid robot Vyomitra. With nearly 80% of over 10,000 rigorous tests already completed, the project reflects India's growing technological and scientific capabilities. At its core, Gaganyaan aims to send a three-member crew into low Earth orbit at about 400 km altitude for 3 days before ensuring their safe return to Earth. If successful, India will become the fourth nation in the world after the United States, Russia and China to demonstrate human spaceflight capability. The objectives of the mission are multifold. First, it will establish indigenous human spaceflight capability and enable India to conduct experiments in microgravity, vital for medicine, physics and biological sciences. Second, it provides a collaborative platform for Indian research institutions, industries, and academia. Third, the mission will boost India's foreign policy strength by enhancing international cooperation in the space sector, while also inspire the youth to pursue careers in science and technology. Several critical technologies have been developed for this mission. The LVM-3 rocket has been modified into a human-rated launcher with solid, liquid and cryogenic stages, along with a crew escape system for emerging safety. The orbital module, comprising the crew module and service module, is equipped with advanced life support system, avionics, thermal control and protective re-entry layers. Additionally, astronaut training ranging from simulator sessions to survival exercises is underway in Bangalore with support from international partners. The mission will unfold in 3 phases. First, test phase, including pad abort and parachute validation. Second, uncrewed missions with Vyomitra to check safety. And third, the final crewed flight before 2026, where 3 astronauts will orbit Earth for 3 days. Despite challenges such as crew safety, radiation risk, and limited infrastructure, Gaganyaan is a historical leap forward. It is not only signifies India's space ambitions but also contributes to global space exploration, economical growth, and technological advancement. For UPSC aspirants, the Gaganyaan mission holds immense relevance, touching GS Paper 3, Science and Technology, GS Paper 2, International Relations, and GS Paper 1, Modern India's Achievements in Science. Truly, this mission marks a milestone in India's space journey and a proud chapter in its scientific progress. Follow for more such content and stay tuned with Plutus IAS.